So my Digicel Plus internet got disconnected again, but this time I didn't use my bank card, I used crypto. Let me show you exactly how I did it, from crypto exchange to live internet. First, I'll go to RedotPay. RedotPay allows us to spend crypto like fiat. We also have the ability to purchase either a virtual card or a physical card. In this example, we will be using the virtual card. Let's go to deposit. Let's use USDT. I will be using an on-chain deposit. And here we can select the network of our choice. I will use Solana. Whenever we're doing a transaction on the blockchain, it is wise to check the first 4 letters or characters and the last 4 letters and characters just to be sure that we are copying the right address. I'll click on copy. And now I'll go to OKX, the world's most powerful crypto exchange. Once inside, I will go to Assets. I'm going to tap on Withdraw. I will withdraw crypto. We're going to use USDT. And we're going to use the exchanges. Here, we will find the list of networks that are available for us. As before, we will choose Solana. Now we can paste the wallet address. And if you remember, the first 4 letters was GP, JQ, and the last 4 letters was AU, Q8. Let's withdraw 71. The reason for choosing 71 is because there's going to be a network fee of 1 USDT. Let's click submit. Always be cautious, guys. Let's confirm the transaction. And that's it. The funds are on its way. Now of course, we will have to wait for a moment for the balance to go up. And with that being said, I'll be right back. And voila, just like that, the balance has been topped up. So let's go to Digicel and pay that bill. Let's go on pay bill now. Let's click on continue. Let's add a payment. Click on continue, please wait. And here we can enter the information from the RedotPay card. Now once you're sure of your details, click confirm payment. Let's click continue to confirm our identity. Let's copy. Well, the Digicel app doesn't allow us to paste in our code, so let's enter it manually. Submit. Congratulations, your payment is successful. Your bill is being processed. Now this took some time because I had some quirks to deal with, but as you can see, the RedotPay virtual card worked for this transaction. And back on the RedotPay card, you can see that the balance has gone down. Now where can you find these links? There we go. Thank you for your payment. Now how can you get access to these tools? That's simple. When you come to my TikTok page, you can simply tap on this link here. And simply go to the menu, go to connect. And here you can get access to getting started with RedotPay. And not to worry, I have other links for your convenience, so be sure to check them out. I hope you found value in this video and be sure to look out for more content coming your way.